Think you've seen every kitchen gadget out there? Think again. These wild Amazon finds take cooking to a whole new level. From mind-blowing tools you never knew existed to clever designs that make meal prep effortless, each one will leave you wondering how you ever cooked without it. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Warm drinks are a party killer, but this instant drink chiller fixes that fast. Just pop in your can or bottle, and it cools your drink in minutes without messing up the fizz. Perfect for last-minute guests, outdoor barbecues, or movie nights. It's compact, portable, and super easy to use anywhere. Say goodbye to warm sodas and hello to perfectly chilled refreshment on demand. Your kitchen just got a serious upgrade. This full HD smart hub keeps your home running smoothly while keeping you entertained. You can check calendars, stream your favorite shows, follow recipes, and even control your smart lights all from one vibrant 15-inch display. With voice control and built-in Fire TV, it's like having a personal assistant and entertainment center in one sleek frame. Organization never looked this good. Cold lunches are officially canceled. This electric lunchbox heats your food anywhere at work, in your car, or even on the road. Just plug it in and enjoy a hot, homemade meal in under half an hour. The stainless steel container keeps food fresh and flavorful, while the leak-proof design prevents spills. Easy to clean, easy to carry, it's your personal mini kitchen on the go. Measuring ingredients just got smarter. This digital kitchen cup isn't your ordinary Jujit doubles as a precision scale with a built-in LCD screen that shows both weight and temperature. You can weigh flour, measure milk, or even check the warmth of melted butter in seconds. The detachable design makes it super easy to clean and store. Perfect for baking, cooking, or tracking your portions like a pro. Say goodbye to wilted herbs before you even use them. This clever herb saver keeps your cilantro, parsley, mint, and asparagus fresh for up to 3 weeks. Just place the stems in water, close the pod, and pop it in the fridge door. The airtight design keeps the humidity just right, while the clear lid lets you see what's inside. Fresh flavor every single time you cook. Chopping veggies just got faster and cleaner. This multifunctional chopper slices onions, potatoes, and carrots in seconds. No tears, no mess. Just press down, and the diced pieces drop neatly into the container below. With 3 interchangeable blades, you can switch between chunky cuts or fine dices anytime. Everything stores compactly in one box, so your counter stays tidy and your prep work stays effortless. Who needs a sushi chef when you've got this Sushi Bazooka at home? Just load it with rice, veggies, or seafood, close it up, and press out comes a perfectly rolled sushi log every time. It's quick, fun, and totally beginner-friendly. Even kids can join in and make their own rolls. Cleanup's easy too, so you can spend more time eating than rolling. Cooking just got smarter and simpler. This 2-in-1 electric frying pan and steamer lets you fry, steam, saute, and simmer all in one pot. With a touch control panel and 7 easy modes, you can whip up everything from crispy stir-fries to fluffy dumplings in minutes. The non-stick coating keeps cleanup effortless, and the large capacity means dinner for the whole family, hassle-free. Why wait in line for breakfast when you can make it yourself in minutes? This clever sandwich maker lets you build your own masterpiece toast, eggs, cheese, meat, all perfectly cooked in one go. Just layer, close, and let it do the magic. In under 5 minutes, you've got a warm, melty breakfast sandwich ready to grab and go. Cleanup's easy-toothed parts pop right into the dishwasher. Chopping veggies doesn't have to feel like a workout. This double blade slicer makes slicing cabbage, onions, or even fish scales fast and effortless. Just glide it across your ingredients, and the sharp stainless steel edges do the rest. You'll get evenly shredded veggies perfect for coleslaw, salads, or stir-fry. It's easy to clean, simple to use, and turns prep time into playtime. Ever reached for a hot pan handle and instantly regretted it? These silicone sleeves are made to stop that from ever happening again. They slip right over your frying pan or skillet handle, giving you a firm, heat-resistant grip that won't slip, even when things get steamy. Whether you're searing, sautéing, or simmering, they keep your hands cool and your cooking stress-free. Imagine tossing your ingredients into a pot, pressing a button, and letting dinner basically cook itself. That's what this automatic cooking machine does. It stirs, heats, and times everything for you. From frying to stewing, it handles it all with precision while you relax or prep the next meal. It's like having your own personal chef quietly working in the background, keeping every dish perfectly cooked. Dinner just got a serious glow-up. This 6-in-1 wonder oven air fries, toasts, roasts, bakes, reheats, and broils all in one sleek countertop design. Steam infusion locks in moisture, giving you juicy insides and crispy outsides every time. It preheats lightning fast and cooks up to 30% quicker than a regular oven. Compact yet powerful, it's the all-in-one upgrade your kitchen's been waiting for. Homemade pasta just became foolproof. This electric pasta maker mixes, kneads, and extrudes fresh noodles with a single touch. Choose from 8 different shapes and watch it turn simple ingredients into restaurant-worthy pasta in minutes. Its smart kneading system mimics hand-rolled dough for that perfect chewy texture. With dishwasher-safe parts and a cleaning brush included, it's all flavor, no fuss, and endless pasta nights ahead. Doing dishes just got a major upgrade. This handheld automatic scrubber does the dirty work for you literally. Just lock in your bowl or plate, pull the trigger, and watch it spin clean in seconds. You don't even need to touch greasy water or leftover oil. It grips dishes securely, scrubs thoroughly, and makes cleanup feel more like a quick game than a chore. Stuck jar lids are officially canceled. This clever gripper opener locks onto stubborn caps with steel jaws that do the hard work for you. Just twist, and even vacuum-sealed jars pop open with zero strain. The long handle gives you extra leverage, making it perfect if you've got limited hand strength. Lightweight, compact, and easy to store, it's your secret weapon against impossible lids. Breakfast on the go just got easier. This electric egg and sausage roll maker turns your favorite ingredients into perfectly cooked grab-and-go snacks. Just pour in the mix, let it cook, and watch your breakfast rise into a fun, easy-to-eat roll. It's safe, compact, and simple to clean, ideal for busy mornings. No pans, no mess, just warm, tasty breakfast in minutes. Washing veggies just got way more fun. This collapsible salad spinner doubles as a colander, washer, and dryer all in one smart design. Just twist the handle and watch your greens spin dry in seconds. No soggy lettuce here. The anti-slip base keeps it steady even on wet sinks, and cleanup's effortless with dishwasher-safe parts. It folds flat too, saving space while keeping your kitchen fresh and organized. Coffee making just got a whole lot cooler. This mini espresso set brews rich, aromatic coffee straight into 2 tiny cups perched right on top. The aluminum design heats evenly, giving you that authentic, full-bodied flavor every time. It's compact, eye-catching, and perfect for sharing a quick espresso with a friend. Simple, stylish, and pure joy for coffee lovers who love a little ritual in their morning. Movie night just isn't the same without that fresh popcorn smell. This hot oil popcorn popper whips up big, fluffy batches in just minutes. The clear lid doubles as a serving bowl, so you can go straight from popping to snacking. A built-in stirring rod keeps every kernel moving for maximum pops and zero waste. With easy cleanup and clever storage, it's your new favorite party essential. Breakfast just got a major upgrade. This retro-style 3-in-1 station lets you toast, steam, and grill all at once. Pop in your bread or bagel, steam eggs to your liking, and sizzle bacon or veggies on the non-stick griddle all in one go. Adjustable toast settings make sure everything turns out just the way you like it. It's compact, fun, and turns your morning routine into pure convenience. Fresh juice in seconds, without the arm workout. This rechargeable electric citrus juicer does all the squeezing for you. Just press a button and watch it extract every drop from oranges, lemons, or even watermelon. It's lightweight, cordless, and USB-C powered, so you can juice anywhere. No outlets needed. Detachable parts make cleanup quick, and safety locks keep things secure while you enjoy your vitamin-packed refreshment. Who needs a backyard when you can grow a mini garden right on your counter? This indoor hydroponic system lets you grow herbs, veggies, or flowers all year long, no soil, no mess. Its LED grow light helps plants sprout up to 5 times faster than in dirt. A one-touch reminder keeps your plants perfectly fed, and the sleek design fits anywhere. Fresh greens, right at your fingertips. Who says baking has to be complicated? This 2-in-1 mixer works as both a hand and stand mixer, giving you total control for every recipe. Whip, whisk, or knead, it handles everything from pancakes to pizza dough with ease. The viewing window lets you keep an eye on the texture while mixing, so you get perfect results every time. Cleanup's a breeze too, with dishwasher-safe parts and a stable, no-mess design. Breakfast just got a high-tech upgrade. This touchscreen toaster lets you pick your bread type and shade with a simple tap. No more guessing when your toast will be ready. The digital timer counts down so you know exactly when to butter up. With defrost, bagel, and cancel functions, you're in total control. Plus, the crumb tray slides out easily, keeping cleanup quick and effortless. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.